Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Mare. How are you?
Did you fly in last night or today?
Last night.
Oh,
yes.
How was the houseware show?
Fantastic.
Did you find lots of great things?
Oh my gosh, so many great things, so many great ideas, and always fun to see our QVC friends out there too.
Know.
It's like Westchester moved to Chicago for the weekend.
And I saw that pizza that you had on Instagram.
Deep dish or thin crust?
Deep dish.
Yeah, me too,
That
all the
looked
way.
Phenomenal. Lisa Lessort, everybody, is here with us, and she's just flying in from Chicago, and great to have you in the show this morning.
Thank you, Mary.
She is the Vice President of Merchandising and Broadcasting for the Temp-tations team. Temp-tations has been here for 17 years. 18.5 million sets of Temp-tations have been picked up here at QVC, and one of the things we always ask for are bowls. And one of the things we always ask for are single serving and presentation pieces. Ta-da!
Well, yeah, absolutely. And if you've never tried Temp-tations, what a great entry into the brand.
Yes, it is.
And if you're looking to add on, this is a baker, it's a platter, and it's a bowl all in one.
It's beautiful.
We don't have anything like this in our line, and we call it a centerpiece bowl because you're going to be so proud to leave it on the center of your table. But we have these beautiful recessed handles right here. I'm showing you the blue floral lace, which has all that gorgeous detail. The hand painting on the side, there's where you see the beading that has all that texture, and then I'm going to tip it. There's the engraving on the outside. So it's absolutely beautiful. You just need to pick your favorite color. What I love about it is you can place it on the table just like so. Fill it or not fill it, it doesn't matter. It's a gorgeous bowl.
A couple of things I want to call out here. The comparable retail value for a piece that we found like this from another retailer was $41. Ours is $10 less.
Yes.
So our total price tag, $31.62, and we have 3 easy payments of $10.54. If you want to bump it to $5, you can do so, but you have to use your Q card to be able to do it. I just want to call out a couple things too. Passover begins April 17th.
Yes.
Easter is on April 21st. Mother's Day, Father's Day around the corner. Keep that in mind as you look at the different colors and think about setting your table. Floral lace blue is where we start.
So beautiful. That's our most popular color in floral lace. Now we have 2 seasonal colors in floral lace that you're only going to see at this time of the year. So when these 2 colors right here are gone, you will not see them until next year. Floral lace spring. I'm going to tip it so you can see it a little bit better. See the butterflies?
Yes.
It's that beautiful lavender color that's tipped with the kiwi green, and then the inside is that hand painting.
Beautiful.
Underneath there, so many requests on Facebook for the spring colors. Here it is. It's all that we've left. Floral lace lime.
That's it?
Yes.
I love
It's been
the lime.
incredibly popular. Then we have our traditional core colors. We have the cranberry. We have the red and floral lace. Then over here we have the green. Underneath that, we have the eggplant, that beautiful purpley grape color. We have the floral lace light blue, which is the most pastel color that we have in floral lace.
Thank you for that.
Love that. The chocolate, which is so rich and decadent, that beautiful spice that is so warm and friendly. And then a great gift in the floral lace black. It's that twilight color.
Wedding season also right around the corner.
Exactly.
Floral lace black is very popular for gifting.
Now, when we talk about spring holidays, I think about spring fetti. Again, this is only available at this time of the year. It's all your sorbet colors combined.
I had to walk away from it. I love it too much.
It's so pretty. Underneath there is tangerine. If you love honey bells and you know the color of a honey bell, that's exactly what it is. Cute. Just beautiful. Again, only available right now. And then we have our beautiful confetti. That's what Tara Tesher collects. That's all the Temp-tations colors combined. Here's the warm cranberry, and there's that bright red. Then we go over to the eggplant, which is a purple color. Again, gorgeous for your spring holidays. The blue's underneath there. And then the green, most popular color in Old World.
Where you started.
Where we started. And when we get to the last stack over here, I want you to notice the beading on the top and the handles.
I see that. Brown with brown.
And then here's Mary's color, the spice. And underneath that, the classic black.
I have to say, too, the dimensions on this are gorgeous.
Yes.
So from the side where you go handle to handle, it's about 14.5 inches wide. And then from here to here, I do believe I wrote
like
down
13
inches wide. But then the depth.
Yeah.
Hold on. 3 3/4 inches deep.
Yes.
So you can still put it in the oven. You can still put it in the microwave if you could fit it in the microwave.
Yes.
Depending on the size of your microwave, but dishwasher safe and more. But just came right out of the French door roaster.
And that's what I love
problem.
about it. Of course it goes into the oven, but it's not so big that it won't fit into the other ovens that you have on your counter.
What did
when
you
you talk about depth, do you want to pick up that bowl for a second?
I do. Thank you.
National Basket Weave Day.
Oh. Wait a minute. What's this?
Nothing.
Hold on.
Nothing.
What's this?
Nothing.
March 13th, National Basket Weave Day.
Yeah. Isn't
Y'all
that?
are getting sneaky
saying.
peeks like you don't even know.
This is
Okay.
what we love about Temptations.
Thank you.
You can mix and match. You can color coordinate to everything that you have been collecting, but a nice
up.
big cherry cobbler.
Kathy's on Facebook right now. She loves Temptations. Kathy and all my other Temptations fans, March 13th, National Basket Weave Day.
Love.
What you looking at?
Nothing.
Basket weave, just saying.
Love this, Mary. And so look
Ooh,
at this.
pretty.
You can now, in a centerpiece bowl, bake in the oven up to 500 degrees, bring it right to the table. I love these recessed handles because they're open, they're wide. See how easy it is for me to hold things?
I do.
Yeah.
I love the size of this. Maybe for your egg breads.
And look at this, Mary. It's going to pull right out. That's the performance that you're going to get with stoneware.
Oh, my.
So it's like I didn't even use it, right? I don't
No.
need to spray any extra fats or oils.
How about a little ham on the table? And I say little, jokingly,
As in 15 pound.
gargantuan ham.
One dish cooking. Do you start to see the versatility of this bowl?
That's
It's
big.
amazing.
That's a big boy.
Yeah.
So I know we have about a minute remaining. Remember, this is available in Old World and Floral Lace. You're saving $10 versus what we could find at other retailers. And we have 3 easy payments on it today. Floral Lace Blue is where we'll start. We want to show you the colors again.
Sure.
Floral Lace Blue is the most popular in the floral lace pattern. Typically is a very popular choice.
Absolutely. Then the 2 seasonal colors that we have are going to be the spring. Here's the lime green.
Lime green is gone.
Oh, wow. Okay. Then we have the cranberry and we have the red. Then we have the green. We have the eggplant and we have the light blue in the floral lace. We have the chocolate. We have the spice. And we have that beautiful black, which makes an incredible housewarming gift.
Oh, good point.
Our 2 seasonal colors in Old World are going to be the spring fetty. So if you love those pastel colors, fantastic. And here's the tangerine. These 2 colors only available now. Once they're gone, 2020 will be the next
If
time you
we
see
see them at all.
That's a good point.
Which I know is not always the case. Okay.
Not always the case. Here's confetti. Here's the warm cranberry. There's that bright candy apple red. Then we have the eggplant. We have the blue. Underneath there's the green. And at the very end, we have the chocolate. We have the Mary color of spice. And we have the classic black.
Spring fetty and confetti are most popular in the Old World. I also have to say, if you're looking at that new and exclusive color emerald in our Le Creuset Today special
What?
value,
I love that.